Coach Nate here. If you've ever woken up with a stiff back, tight hips, or just feeling sluggish, this routine is going to change the way you start your day. Most people ignore spinal mobility and core activation in the morning, and that's why they feel tight, restricted, and low on energy. But not you. In just 5 minutes, you're going to loosen up your spine and reduce stiffness, fire up your core for better balance and stability, stretch out tension in your shoulders, back, and hips. But here's the question. What's the one mistake people make with these stretches that actually makes them feel worse? No equipment is needed, just your mat and 5 minutes to feel amazing. Let's hit the mat and find out. We're starting with a classic spine warm-up. But are you doing it the right way? Start in a tabletop position, hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back, lift your head and tailbone up, cow pose. Exhale, tuck your chin, round your back and push through your hands, cat pose. Move slowly for 1 minute, syncing movement with breath. This stretch immobilizes the entire spine, improves posture and increases circulation, making it the perfect way to start any morning. But what happens if you rush this move? You might be missing out on one of the biggest benefits. Beginners, keep movement small if your back feels tight. Advanced stretches deepen the arch and the roundness for a stronger effect. Now that your spine is awake, let's activate the core with the movement most people overlook. This simple movement can transform your core strength, but most people do it wrong. Lie on your back, knees bent at 90 degrees. Arms reaching up, lower your right arm and left leg at the same time, keeping your core engaged. Return to the start and switch sides. Move slowly for 1 minute, focusing on control. Dead bug trains deep core stability, protects your lower back and improves balance. If your lower back lifts off the ground, you're missing the entire point of this move. Beginners, keep your knees bent and lower just a few inches. If you need more of a challenge, extend your legs fully for an extra challenge. Now that your core is active, let's fire up the hips for better mobility. This stretch activates muscles you probably don't even realize are tight. Start in a tabletop position, core engaged. Lift your right knee out to the side without twisting your spine. Lower down slowly and repeat for 30 seconds. Switch sides and repeat on the left leg. Fire hydrants strengthen the glutes, stabilize the hips, and improve lower body flexibility. Key for better movement throughout the day. So, what's the number one mistake that could make this stretch useless? Beginners, keep the movement small and controlled. Advanced stretches, hold each lift at the top for 2 to 3 seconds. Now that your core and hips are awake, let's release deep tension in the shoulders and spine. This stretch melts away upper back and shoulder tension, but only if you do it correctly. Start in a tabletop position. Walk your hands forward, lowering your chest toward the ground. Keep your hips over your knees and let your forehead rest on the mat. Breathe deeply and hold for 1 minute. This stretch opens up the chest, shoulders, and upper back, which is key for fixing posture. But what's the one small adjustment that could make this stretch twice as effective? Beginners, keep your forearms on the ground for more support. Advanced stretches, extend your arms fully and press your chest lower. Now, let's finish strong with the deep front body stretch to boost energy. This stretch is perfect for reversing morning stiffness, but most people make a painful mistake here. Lie face down, hands under shoulders, elbows tucked in. Inhale, press through your hands, lifting your chest while keeping your lower body relaxed. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. Cobra opens the chest, strengthens the back, and improves spinal mobility, making it the perfect way to finish this routine. Are you making one of the mistakes that could strain your lower back? Well, beginners, keep your elbows bent and stay low. Advanced freshers, push into full Cobra if your back feels ready. And just like that, you've reset your spine, activated your core, and unlocked the shoulders all in just 5 minutes. But what's the next step if you want to improve faster? Go check out the free gift I have for you in the description. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.